Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of the as in the. Now we will see some of the examples. The, then, the, that, the, there, the, them, the, there, the, these, the, they, the, this, the, those, the, then, the, smooth. Initial position the, then, gel pen is better than ink pen. That is my bag. The sun is shining bright. There, they are repairing their house. Them, give food to them. There is a garden near my house. These are my books. They are my friends. This is my pencil. Those are pine trees. Then I was just a kid then. Smooth, it's really smooth.